Hi everyone, welcome back to LexiEnglish. Today, we are learning daily use English sentences that you can use in real life. These are simple, natural, and very common. Let's start. When you wake up in the morning, you can say, I just woke up. I just woke up. We say this right after getting out of bed. If you are still sleepy, you can say, I'm still sleepy. I'm still sleepy. It means you want more rest. Before eating, you can say, I'm going to have breakfast. I'm going to have breakfast. You can also use this for lunch or dinner. If something is difficult, you can say, this is not easy. This is not easy. It shows something is hard for you. When you are late, you can say, I'm running late. I'm running late. This means you are behind time. If you are confused, you can say, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It means you don't have a clear answer. When you understand something, say, now I understand. Now I understand. This shows clarity. If you are tired after work, you can say, I'm really tired. I'm really tired. A very common daily sentence. When someone calls you, you can say, I'll call you back. I'll call you back. It means you will return the call later. If you are ready, say, I'm ready. I'm ready. Simple and confident. When you are about to leave, you can say, I'm heading out. I'm heading out. This means you are going somewhere. At night, before sleeping, you can say, I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. A very natural daily sentence. These sentences are small, but they are powerful. Use them in your daily life. Speak them again and again until they feel natural. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.